Exitlag versus Noping, which is the best gaming VPN for lowering ping. Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. We are comparing Exitlag and Noping to help you decide which gaming latency optimization service is the best choice for 2025. So, Exitlag is a popular choice for gamers looking to reduce ping and lag. It routes your connection through multiple servers to find the fastest path, improving the overall gaming experience. Exitlag supports a wide range of games and offers a user-friendly interface with customizable settings for specific games. Plus, it also is known for its consistent results, especially in online multiplayer games. Noping, on the other hand, is another solid option that focuses on routing your traffic through the most optimal path to reduce lag. It also supports a wide variety of games and provide real-time monitoring of your connection. To ensure the best performance, one must stand out feature is its ability to provide a more stable connection in regions with high latency. So which is better option in 2025? If you're looking for a reliable, easy to use service with good game compatibility, Exitlag is a great choice for you. However, if you're in need of a more specialized solution with real-time connection and optimization and better performance in high latency areas, Noping could be the better fit for you. So which is better? Exit lag versus Noping. Which is the best gaming VPN for lowering ping? If you have any questions, leave us a comment down below and we'll see you again on the next one. Thank you.